Namba ya arutwo aria maregwateire grade ya E kigeranio-ini gia KCSE mwaka muhituku irongererekire na makiria ya arutwo 10,000 kuma arutwo 30,822 mwaka wa 2022 kinyagia arutwo 48,000 igana rimwe ria 74 na oho makiria ya gicunje kia 50 hari igana kia arutwo othe aria mekire kigeranio giki matinahota kwigwatira grade cia kuingira university. Maumirira maya matumurite mawoni ngurani kuma kuri anyiti itemi riu gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia umundu kia Linda Jamii gikienda uthuthuria utafanio gigikuwa uyu urari mubango wa kuguithia arutwo kigeranio.
We have information from internal sources that the Kenya Kwanza government delayed the release of the KCSE exams to be moderated against how much money they want to spend on education at Kenyans in the university level. So out of the 128 billion allocated to university education, if you look at the percentage failure rate, meaning that 52.4% of students who sat for examination, those ones scored D and below, we realize that the government will save around 67.02 billion shillings. Where do they want to take that money?
Kuringana na Frederick Ogola, gikundi giki kiamukirite makiria ya mateta 600 kuma kuri aciari, arutwo na anyiti itemi angi makoni maumirira maria maranirirwo muthenya wa ira.
Half the students more than half have failed. Then who has failed is the government. Who has failed is the education system.
Our teams are receiving, reviewing and compiling complaints in order to launch the mother of all cases at the tribunal, seeking a recall of the results at the very least.
Mamwe ma mateta maya ari gucenjia kwa grade ya amwe a arutwo kwa muhiano bica-ini ino iria koretwo igitheremio nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ikionania murutwo uyu arora maumirira make rita ria mbere arari na grade ya B+ na thutha ucio arora maumirira make ria keri arakora ari na grade ya A-.
In and out of the portal, the exam results are different for different candidates at different times. We cannot have results that depends on either whether, the timing, or the person logging.
Hamwe na magi gikundi giki kirenda ministry ya githomo guteaniria maumirira ma kigeranio giki thirikari guthurima kigina kiria kigayagirwo mahuthiro ma arutwo na riri thukuru irambiriria mathomo thiini wa term ya mbere ya mwaka wa 2024 thirikari itigirire kuri na arutani a kuigana.
The government to invest heavily on education facilities, from exam preparation to exam administration, to exam marking, to exam releasing, and to exam access, so that all these irregularities are treated.
Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagogina Wawaduro.